The eye is an incredible piece of engineering. It detects light and converts it into impulses, which the brain then interprets to shape and describe our reality. Every single day, we use them so effortlessly to understand the world around us that we hardly even think about it. As there are more than 2,000 eye injuries a day in workplaces around the world, protecting your eyesight and instant access to effective first aid in the event of an accident is of the utmost importance. When our eyes are exposed to harmful chemicals, the difference between blindness and complete eyesight recovery is a matter of seconds. So an eye wash must be both quick to deploy and simple and safe to use. The Tobin Eyewash system is a well-known and rigorously tested product that enables effective rinsing of the injured eye just seconds after an accident. The need for an eye wash can arise for anyone in almost any field of work. Even with the best intentions and the right precautions and safety routines, eye-related accidents still happen far too often. People in a wide variety of jobs, from concrete workers and people in the chemical, petrol, manufacturing and construction industries, to firemen, law enforcement officers, medical staff, teachers, security guards and restaurant staff, are all susceptible to liquids or foreign objects in their eyes. Which is why, as well as general eye protection, they also need fast access to an easy-to-use eye wash should an accident happen. The Tobin Eyewash system from Universal First Aid Europe has been on the international market since 1983, protecting thousands of eyes, bettering the outcome of eye-related accidents and improving quality of life. In the event of a chemical eye injury, loss of sight and acute pain will inevitably create confusion for the injured person. When injured, the eye automatically closes and the muscles tighten. Having an eye wash station within arm's reach and a trained workforce who know exactly what to do can, in most cases, guarantee that the injury won't be permanent. But timing is everything, and every second counts. Not only is it crucial that the eye is rinsed out immediately, but it must also be rinsed for the right length of time. Different chemicals attack the eyes in different ways. Acids. The reaction is aggressive and severe as the acid eats into the soft eye tissue. Damage can be extensive and loss of sight is not unusual. The acid coagulates the proteins in the cornea, turning them opaque. Alkalines. This is the most severe type of eye injury, caused by alkaline substances like lye, cement and ammonia. Reaction time is even shorter than acids, eating into the soft eye in about 3 seconds. Ammonia has been known to reach the inner eye in just 25 seconds, and permanent eye damage is common. But if rinsing starts within seconds of exposure, it might be possible to limit the damage. The eye should be rinsed continuously for at least 25 minutes, while the patient is rushed to a doctor. Only a doctor can determine when you stop rinsing. Each bottle of Tobin Eyewash is a clever piece of Swedish design. The system contains no mechanical parts and requires just one hand to operate, making it exceptionally reliable and easy to use. The bottle hangs from its cap, making it easy to grab, open and use. Simply click the eye wash out of its stand, twist the bottom valve, and it's ready to use. Once the cap has been disconnected, the sterile container can no longer be reused or returned to its stand. This guarantees that only ready-to-use sterile bottles can be kept in the stand. Tobin's patented eye support ring enables prolonged and on-the-go rinsing, for example, during transportation to a doctor. An injured eye should never be rinsed with a forceful jet or mist. The Tobin Eyewash system uses a gentle stream of water, helped only by gravity, and the flow cannot be increased by squeezing the bottle. Once the bottom valve has been activated, air can enter the bottle, ensuring the eye is rinsed out with a soft, continuous flow of 6 tiny streams of water. Simple instructions and expiry dates are clearly visible on the front of each bottle. In workplaces where acids are handled on a regular basis, for example at petrol or chemical plants, Universal First Aid offers the Tobin buffered eyewash solution. In addition to effective eye washing, it also quickly neutralizes any acids in the contaminated eye, thereby reducing the risk of permanent eye damage. Even when an accident happens just meters away from an eyewash station, it can sometimes be impossible to reach it in time, which is why Universal First Aid Europe developed the Tobin Pocket Eyewash. The bottle is easy to open and should be applied in a forward-leaning position. It won't suffice as a standalone solution, but it could make all the difference during those critical first seconds. The Tobin Eyewash system provides the fastest possible application, together with enough liquid for most eye injuries. One Tobin Eyewash system bottle provides about 3 minutes worth of rinsing, and a 5-bottle stand provides the recommended 15 minutes worth of rinsing. Produced at our state-of-the-art facilities in Sweden under rigorous controls and regulations, the Tobin Eyewash system is completely sterile throughout its shelf life and complies with strict regulation standards SSEN 15154/2009, SSEN 5561/2006, ISO 17665/2006, and ISO 13485/2003. The quicker and easier an eyewash is to use, the greater the chance of saving a person's eyesight. But only when eyewash equipment becomes mandatory in laboratories, heavy equipment and other facilities will we see a significant drop in the unnecessary high number of eye injuries every year.